Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Network Security Perimeter Public Preview, a comprehensive tutorial. The Azure Network Security Perimeter, NSP, is a powerful, centralized service that allows you to create a security boundary around your critical resources, protecting them from unauthorized access. Think of it as a highly configurable firewall-like system that operates at the network layer, enabling you to enforce strict access control policies based on various attributes, including identity, device posture, and network location. This public preview offers a glimpse into the future of Azure network security, providing a more robust and granular control plane. This tutorial will cover *. 1. Understanding the concept *, delving into the purpose and benefits of network security perimeters. 2. Prerequisites *, setting up your Azure environment for the public preview. 3. Creating a network security perimeter, NSP, step-by-step instructions on building your perimeter. 4. Configuring access rules *, defining who and what can access resources within the perimeter. 5. Adding protected resources *, integrating your Azure resources into the perimeter's security umbrella. 6. Working with identity-based access preview, exploring the preview feature of using identities for access control. 7. Monitoring and logging *, keeping an eye on perimeter activity and troubleshooting. 8. Code examples, PowerShell and CLI practical scripts for automating NSP deployments and management. 9. Best practices and considerations * tips for optimizing your NSP configuration. 10. Limitations and future enhancements * understanding the current restrictions and future directions. 1. Understanding the concept. Traditionally, network security relies heavily on firewalls, network security groups, NSGs, and other controls placed at the edge of your network or around individual resources. While effective, these solutions can become complex to manage in large-scale environments, especially when dealing with microservices architectures or multi-cloud deployments. Network Security Perimeter addresses these challenges by *. Centralized control * provides a single pane of glass for defining and enforcing access policies across your entire environment. * Granular access control * allows you to create rules based on a variety of attributes, including source IP address /CIDR * restrict access based on the originating network. Destination resource * control access to specific resources within the perimeter. Identity preview enforce policies based on the identity of the user or service attempting to access the resource. Note, this is a preview feature. Device posture future, not yet available in public preview, potentially integrate with device management systems to verify device health and compliance before granting access. Zero Trust Principles * enforces the principle of never trust, always verify by requiring explicit authorization for every access request. Simplified Management * streamlines the process of managing network security policies, reducing operational overhead. Benefits of using network security perimeter * enhanced security posture * significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your critical resources. Simplified compliance * helps you meet regulatory requirements by providing a centralized control plane for access management. Improved operational efficiency * reduces the time and effort required to manage network security policies. Increased agility * allows you to quickly adapt to changing security requirements and business needs. 2. Prerequisites. Before you can start using the Network Security Perimeter public preview, you need to ensure you have the following. Azure subscription * an active Azure subscription. you may need to enable the public preview feature in your subscription. Azure CLI or PowerShell the Azure Command Line Interface, CLI, or Azure PowerShell modules installed and configured. Make sure you have the latest versions. Appropriate permissions. You'll need sufficient permissions to create and manage resources in your Azure subscription, including contributor role, or higher, at the subscription level or resource group level where you plan to deploy the NSP. Reader role on any resources you wish to protect with the NSP. Enable the public preview feature. This requires specific steps, which may vary. Consult the official Azure documentation for the most up-to-date instructions on enabling the NSP public preview. Generally, you'll need to register for the preview through the Azure portal or using Azure CLI/PowerShell. 3. Creating a network security perimeter, NSP. Now, let's create our first network security perimeter. We'll use Azure CLI for this example, but the PowerShell equivalent is also provided. Azure CLI *, Azure PowerShell *, explanation *, AZ login, CLI/connect AZ account, PowerShell logs you into your Azure account. AZ account set, CLI/set AZ context, PowerShell sets the active Azure subscription. AZ group create, CLI/new AZ resource group, PowerShell creates a new resource group, if you don't have one already. Resource groups are containers for your Azure resources. AZ network perimeter create, CLI/new AZ network parameter, PowerShell creates the network security perimeter with the specified name, resource group, and location. 4. Configuring access rules. Access rules define who or what can access the resources protected by the NSP. This is where you specify the source and destination for each permitted connection. Azure CLI *, Azure PowerShell *, explanation *, AZ network perimeter access rule create, CLI/new AZ network parameter access rule, PowerShell creates a new access rule. *name, specifies the name of the access rule. *resource group, specifies the resource group containing the NSP. *perimeter name, specifies the name of the NSP. *direction, specifies the direction of the traffic, inbound or outbound. *sources, defines the sources from which traffic is allowed. In this example, we're allowing traffic from a specific IP address range, your public IP address /32. Replace your public IP address with your actual public IP address. You can also use CIDR notation to specify a range of IP addresses. The format is a JSON array of objects, each object specifying a source. Other options include access rule type, example Azure resource, and source ID to define specific Azure resources as sources. *destinations, defines the resources to which traffic is allowed. In this example, we're allowing traffic to a specific virtual network, MyVNet. Replace the resource ID with the actual resource ID of your virtual network. The format is a JSON array of objects, each object specifying a destination. *protocols, specifies the allowed protocols, example TCP, UDP, ICMP. The format is a JSON array of strings. *destination ports, specifies the allowed destination ports, example 80, 443. The format is a JSON array of strings. Important considerations *. Asterisk resource IDs asterisk make sure to use the full Azure Resource ID for your resources, example /subscription /your subscription ID /resource group name /providers /microsoft.network /virtual network /vnet name. Asterisk direction asterisk inbound rules control traffic entering the perimeter. Outbound rules control traffic leaving the perimeter. Asterisk specificity asterisk start with broad rules and gradually refine them to achieve the desired level of security. Overly restrictive rules can block legitimate traffic. Asterisk multiple sources /destinations asterisk you can define multiple sources and destinations by adding more objects to the JSON arrays for -sources and -destinations. 5. Adding protected resources. Now that you have a perimeter and access rules, you need to associate Azure resources with the perimeter to protect them. This is done through the network perimeter profiles. Azure CLI asterisk. Azure PowerShell asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk AZ network perimeter profile create, CLI, /NUIS network parameter profile. PowerShell creates a new network perimeter profile. Asterisk -name, specifies the name of the profile. Asterisk -resource group, specifies the resource group containing the NSP. Asterisk -perimeter name, specifies the name of the NSP. Asterisk -resource ID, specifies the full Azure Resource ID of the resource you want to protect. Example: a virtual network, a storage account, a database. Asterisk -access rules, optional, a list of access rule names to associate with this profile. This links the access rules directly to the resource profile. Without this, the access rules apply to all profiles within the perimeter. 6. Working with identity-based access, preview. Asterisk important, this is a preview feature, and its functionality may change. Always refer to the official Azure documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date information asterisk. The identity-based access feature allows you to grant access to resources within the NSP based on the identity of the user or service attempting to access them. This offers a more granular and secure approach than relying solely on IP addresses or network locations. Here's a simplified example, subject to change. 1. Enable identity-based access asterisk you might need to explicitly enable this feature in your NSP or at the subscription level. Consult the official documentation. 2. Configure Azure AD for authentication asterisk ensure your Azure resources are configured to use Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, for authentication. This typically involves enabling Azure AD authentication for the resource, example Azure SQL Database. 3. Create an access rule using managed identity or user identity asterisk you'll create an access rule that specifies the Azure AD object ID of a user, service principal, or managed identity. Conceptual example, CLI, syntax may change. Explanation, subject to change. Asterisk -sources, instead of using source address prefixes, we're now using sources with a type of AZA and an object ID that represents the Azure AD object ID of the user or service principal. Key considerations for identity-based access asterisk. Asterisk resource support asterisk not all Azure resources may support identity-based access with NSP during the public preview. Check the official documentation for the list of supported resources. Asterisk Azure AD integration asterisk your resources must be integrated with Azure AD for authentication. Asterisk object IDs asterisk you'll need to obtain the correct Azure AD object IDs, user, service principal, or managed identity, for your access rules. Asterisk permissions asterisk ensure that the identity you're using in the access rule has the necessary permissions to access the target resource. 7. Monitoring and logging. Monitoring and logging are crucial for understanding how your NSP is performing and identifying potential security issues. Azure Monitor. The NSP integrates with Azure Monitor, allowing you to collect and analyze logs and metrics. Activity logs. Monitor the activity logs for the NSP resource to track creation, modification, and deletion events. Diagnostic settings. Configure diagnostic settings to send NSP logs and metrics to a log analytics workspace, Azure Storage Account, or event hubs. Example, CLI. Key logs to monitor network perimeter flow logs. These logs provide information about network traffic flowing through the NSP, including source and destination IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Analyzing these logs can help you identify suspicious activity and troubleshoot connectivity issues. Network perimeter audit logs. If available, these logs capture audit events related to the NSP, such as access rule modifications and perimeter configuration changes. 8. Code examples, PowerShell and CLI continued. Let's add some more practical code examples. Listing network security perimeters, CLI. Listing network security perimeters, PowerShell. Deleting a network security perimeter, CLI. Deleting a network security perimeter, PowerShell. 9. Best practices and considerations. Start small. Begin by implementing NSP on a small subset of your resources and gradually expand the scope as you gain experience. Principle of least privilege. Grant only the minimum necessary access to resources within the perimeter. Testing. Thoroughly test your NSP configuration before deploying it to production. Documentation. Document your NSP configuration, including the purpose of each access rule and the resources protected by the perimeter. Regular review. Regularly review your NSP configuration to ensure it is still aligned with your security requirements. Naming conventions. Use clear and consistent naming conventions for your NSP resources, perimeter, access rules, profiles. Resource group strategy. Carefully consider how to organize your NSP resources within resource groups. Consider dedicating a resource group specifically for NSP-related resources. Automation. Use infrastructure as code, IAC, tools like Terraform or Azure Resource Manager, ARM, templates to automate the deployment and management of your NSP. Avoid overlapping rules. Be mindful of potential conflicts or overlaps between access rules. This can lead to unexpected behavior. Leverage tags. Use Azure tags to categorize and manage your NSP resources. 10. Limitations and future enhancements. As this is a public preview, there are certain limitations to be aware of. Preview feature. The functionality is subject to change. Resource support. Not all Azure resources are currently supported. Device posture. Device posture integration is not yet available. Regional availability. The NSP may not be available in all Azure regions. Documentation. The official documentation may be incomplete or outdated. Always check for the latest information. Performance. Performance may not be fully optimized during the preview period. Future enhancements, based on Azure roadmaps and announcements. Expanded resource support. Support for more Azure resources. Device posture integration. Integration with device management systems to verify device health. Enhanced monitoring and logging. Improved visibility into perimeter activity. * More granular access control * Additional attributes for defining access rules. * Integration with Azure Policy * Enforce compliance with NSP configurations. Conclusion. The Azure Network Security Perimeter Public Preview offers a powerful new approach to network security in Azure. By providing centralized control, granular access control, and zero trust principles, the NSP can significantly enhance your security posture and simplify the management of your network security policies. While it's important to be aware of the current limitations and potential changes, the NSP holds great promise for the future of Azure network security. Remember to consult the official Azure documentation for the latest information and updates. This tutorial provides a strong foundation to get you started with exploring this exciting new service.